Welcome back to Weight Ask channel, your trusted source for all things health and wellness. Today we're addressing a pressing concern: how excess belly fat can elevate your risk of diabetes complications. It's not just about fitting into your favorite jeans, it's about safeguarding your health. So let's dive in. Insulin resistance. One of the primary ways belly fat impacts your health is by promoting insulin resistance. As visceral fat accumulates, it releases chemicals that interfere with insulin's ability to regulate blood sugar levels. Wait, ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat naturally? To know the secret video, link in the video description. Inflammation. Belly fat also acts as an inflammatory powerhouse. It secretes inflammatory substances that wreak havoc on your body. Chronic inflammation is a key player in diabetes complications. It damages blood vessels and impairs circulation, making it harder for your body to heal. Blood pressure. And let's not forget about blood pressure. Excess belly fat is closely linked to hypertension. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for diabetes complications, including heart disease, stroke, and kidney problems. Fatty liver. Another danger zone is your liver. Visceral fat can lead to fatty liver disease, a condition that often goes hand in hand with diabetes. A fatty liver impairs its ability to regulate blood sugar, making diabetes management even more challenging. Sleep apnea. Now that we've seen how excess belly fat and diabetes complications are intertwined, it's time to take action. Sleep apnea is a serious issue for diabetics as it can disrupt blood sugar control and exacerbate diabetes complications. Sleep apnea. Excess belly fat increases the likelihood of sleep apnea, a condition where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. Sleep apnea is a serious issue for diabetics as it can disrupt blood sugar control and exacerbate diabetes complications. This product helps to burning belly fat and loss weight naturally. Buy this product, click link in the video description below. Are you serious to manage your belly fat naturally? Click the secret video link in the video description. The link will delete it in few days and never up in this video. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with others. For more expert advice on living a healthier life, don't forget to subscribe to Weight Ask channel. Thanks for watching!